Good afternoon, Chuck Porter, MarineMax Savannah, and just want to take a minute to walk through this 27 sun deck from Sea Ray. So we'll start at the bow. Nice comfortable seating here with armrests. Lift up storage compartments with hinged backrests, so you don't have to worry about messing with the cushions. The bow, this model has the windlass, safety chain, and then storage underneath for your rode. Also a table mount here, and then storage in the floor here for any skis or long net handles or whatever you might have. You have a bow block off door, so on those windy days you can close the windshield and keep a lot of the wind from your cockpit area. It also has lockable storage area for your tables. And then also has a nice head compartment with some wood features and a nice sink. And this is a pump out head, so that's a nice feature. Also have a little lockable glove box for phones and small items that you might use. Moving over to the helm, we have Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth compatible stereo. All your standard gauges from Mercury with the digital readout for estimated fuel range, gallons per hour, any of your engine vital statistics there. Trim tabs, adjustable wheel, and then digital shift and throttle, so very easy on the forward and shifting. This one has fold up bow bolsters, flip back seat. Seat's the same on this side. Flip up bolsters on the other side. Then you have a storage compartment here. Giant area, tons of room in there. Another storage compartment in the floor. Easy access. It's also lockable. Tons of room in there. Over here you have another storage compartment. Comes with a dedicated spot for the cooler. This boat equipped with a tower, and the bimini top is integrated into the tower, and you have a tow spot from on top of the arch. Storage compartments on either side here, and then battery located underneath the rear seat. And this boat has a charger as well. You'll notice the infinity carpet in this boat. It's really nice. Has a little step stool for stepping out of the dock. This boat has freshwater shower. Very nice. Another stereo remote control in the stern. And then on the back platform area here, you'll see it has lots of room for storage. It opens up, just a giant area in there for beach chairs, extra coolers, whatever you may want. Secondly, you have another spot for tow sports, and then a charger back here as well for any phone charging or spotlights, whatever you may be using. This boat is equipped with the sea deck on the floor, which is really nice. And then this boat is powered by the 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. It's an ultra quiet engine, plenty of torque, and it has features advanced midsection for a very quiet and vibration-free ride. And then also it has a very convenient flushing system for flushing out the boat when you're through for the day. So that concludes our walkthrough of the 2019-27 Sunday.